In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private or public on your phone. So go ahead and open up the app, and the first thing you want to do is select your profile in the bottom right corner. And then we're going to select the three lines at the top, which is more options, and we're going to be going to settings and privacy. Now, once you're here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for account privacy under who can see your content. Now, by default, your account will be public, and what we want to do is turn it on to private. So, what's the difference between the two? Well, when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. Now, if you want to make your account private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos, or hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following lists. So, whatever is best for you, be sure to change it to that. And then once you're finished, you can simply just go back to the home screen. So, hopefully, this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.